In 2016, a single episode of HGTV's Fixer Upper ignited a housing trend that turned the American dream on its head. Suddenly, everyone wanted to live in a barn, specifically a barndominium. Part steel-engineered barn, part luxury condominium. To understand why these metal giants are taking over, you have to go back to 1989. A developer named Karl Nilsen coined the term in a New York Times article to describe a Connecticut community where horse lovers would be able to live directly above their stables. Today's barndominiums look a bit different, no horses required. The appeal is obvious. They are incredibly fast to build, highly customizable, and structurally tough. But they aren't without their quirks. Because they are built like commercial warehouses, you are starting with a blank canvas. They rely on a prefabricated steel or metal shell, gable roofs, and a massive wide-open square footage. That sounds great until you have to figure out how to heat a 40-foot vaulted ceiling in the dead of winter or handle the echo of an entirely open-concept steel box. Because they require serious acreage, you won't find these in New York or Los Angeles. Instead, they are flourishing across Texas, Oklahoma, and Ohio, where land is plentiful and building codes are flexible. It's a complete departure from traditional suburban living. So would you trade a suburban lot for a steel fortress in the country? Let us know in the comments.